Hello friends, welcome to Knowledge Mantra 2. Today we are going to learn about direct speech versus indirect speech, or sometimes also reported as direct and indirect narration. This is the most demanding topic of grammar and you must understand it very carefully. So without a further go, let's get started. What is a narration? Narration is the act of representing the words of speaker, that is, how we are representing the way a person has spoken. There are two main ways of reporting the words of speaker. First, direct speech, and second, indirect speech. Let's look into each of them in detail. So what is direct speech? The actual words of speaker are quoted as it is without any change. The exact words of the speaker are enclosed in inverted commas or quotation marks. For example, Somesh was studying and his friend Rahul asked, "What are you doing?" He said, "I am studying." Now, if Rahul want to report what Somesh said as it is, then he can say, Somesh said, "I am studying." This is direct speech. Here you can see the quotation marks around the sentence. I am studying. Also said is the reporting verb here, and I am studying is the reported speech. Let's look into one more example. Reena was wearing a frock. Anil asked Reena, "Which color frock you are wearing?" Reena said, "I am wearing yellow frock." Now if Anil want to report, what Reena said. Reena said, "I am wearing yellow frock." This is direct speech as words are as it is without any modification. I hope you are clear I hope you are clear with direct speech. Now let's understand what is indirect speech. Actual words of speaker are transformed and they are said or written in simple language. Now, why do we need direct speech? Reason for the change is to avoid confusion while using a direct speech in reporting. Let's check the example that we saw in the direct speech to convert them into indirect speech. We saw that in direct speech we use the words as it is. Rahul said, "I am studying." Now converting this to indirect speech, it become Rahul said that he was studying. What are the changes that you can identify here? First is removal of inverted commas. Second is change of tense. You can see the present became past tense. Third is the use of conjunction that. Please remember these changes. That look into another example that we saw earlier. Reena said, "I am wearing yellow frock." Converting this to indirect speech, it will become Reena said that she was wearing yellow frock. What are the changes you can identify here while converting from direct speech to indirect speech? Here also, first is the removal of inverted commas, second one is the changes of tenses, and third is use of conjunction that. Hope you are clear the fundamental difference between direct and indirect speech. That all for now about direct and indirect speech in this video. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any question or suggestion, please write in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share the video so others can learn, and do subscribe the channel to get regular updates about the course. Thank you.